Raghu, share your screen. Jitendra, stop sharing. You try it. Raghu, you there?
Yes, Anna.
Yeah. Share your screen. I think, Raghu, are you sharing your screen?
Yes, Anna.
Okay. What you are doing? Which one you are doing exam? Nothing, right?
Yeah, Are.
Alright. Okay. Do you remember the object, Raghu? Hmm? Do you remember the object? Yes or no?
What object, Anna? I mean,
JSON.
actually, I didn't get your question. What should I?
Object. No. Do you remember the object? Which object I mean? The say JavaScript object. Do you remember? Map, map, map kind of thing. We call it as a object. I think you're absent out of the class. Okay.
Yeah, Anna.
You remember the functions, right?
Yeah, function.
Write three functions. Okay. Create three functions. Function one, function two, function three. Okay. Then from function two, call function one, and from function one, call function three. In the function three, print something. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, and I got it.
Fine. Sorry, Anna, I didn't get you.
Okay. One minute, Jitendra.
Yeah, okay.
There is function one. There is function two. There is function three. Okay. Now I want to call. Okay. I want to call function one in from function two. Okay. Then in function one, okay, in function one, I want to call function three. Okay. And this function two should be called somewhere outside the all of these three functions, the bottom of these three functions. Just calling, creating and calling, nothing else here.
Okay.
First to create three functions, then call one in another. That's it. Okay. We have done this one. Okay. We have done this one in the LWC examples. Now I want here in this script. Okay. Try this one. First create three and then try calling. I'll be back to you again. Chandana, are you done?
No, I'm not able to get the output.
Okay. Okay. I'll come to you. Okay. Varshit. Sorry. Jitendra.
Yeah, no.
Show me your show. Okay. Explain me.
Yeah, no. Function.
Everyone to the Jitendra screen. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, no. I have took function
Mm-hmm.
with a parameter number
Mm-hmm.
num,
Mm-hmm.
and the first condition is num less than 2. That means if 1 less than 2, return false. 1 is not a prime number,
Okay.
so it will return false.
Okay. That's fine.
Next, I have taken for loop.
Hmm.
Let I equal to 2 and I
Hmm.
I less than num
Hmm.
and increment I increment. If
Okay.
this is the condition, if I percentile num that is strictly
Hmm.
equal to 0, return false.
Why? Why this one? Why this
Yeah,
condition?
if I is 1,
Hmm.
if I is 1,
I won't be one now. No, I'm asking about this one. This if I percentile name strictly equal to 0. Why? Explain this line. Why you have written this line?
yeah, no, if a number is divisible by something, it should not be equal to 0 no, if it's a prime number.
Okay. Okay.
Then it should return false.
Okay. Okay. Then why it is here I less than number?
Which one, no?
This one I less than number condition. Why this one?
Yeah, no, I have took the parameter number no here first in
No,
function.
no, 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 no,
If I
no,
increment,
no. 1 second. 1 second. Why I less than or equal to number? Oh, sorry. Why not less than or equal to? Why only less than? You have written I less than num. Okay.
yeah, no.
But why it is not why less than or equal to num?
If I took less than or equal to
Mm-hmm.
the number which I given in my the number which I given in parameter, that will be equal to that. When I increment, that will be equal to that number no, no, which in parameter.
Yes. Yes. So,
So it will return as 0 in the next
so,
condition.
so according to prime number, a number should not be divisible by
The
other number except
other
one and
number, yeah, no.
hmm,
If I divide
okay.
by 5, it will return 0 no, no.
Okay. So
Then
return false.
it will return
False.
false.
Okay. Return false. Return true. Okay.
After it return
Let
true.
let result equals to hmm,
I
let
have
result.
taken time because I didn't check the function name here.
Okay.
It was
Okay.
default function like that. I didn't check it.
Okay. Stop sharing your screen.
Yeah.
Now let's go to Chandana's screen. 1 second. Okay. Function line is correct. After that, it's correct. One second. Okay. If array list dot contains p, okay, then it is okay. You're not able to check that. Okay.
Yes.
Message given name is present in the list. Message given name is what it is giving you?
No output.
No output. It is not at all showing anything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Anyone can correct this one? Anyone? Come on, come on.
We can use a for loop on
Okay.
like
Okay. Okay. Yeah, correct only. Tell me.
yeah, for loop. By using for loop, we can do this.
Hello. Okay. So is the
Like
content
for
why is the contents is the contents is not correct? Okay.
Content is correct, but we should use for loop.
Okay. Chandana, your approach is completely right. Okay. Just
Okay.
write in the place of content, write includes. Include.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Contains
Okay.
is in apex. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is JavaScript.
Okay.
So try to practice array methods. Okay. Try to practice array methods more. See, it's about practicing. There are multiple methods. Almost 15-20 methods are there. So you keep practicing them. So
Okay.
explain this to all of us.
So, I've taken the function. I've given the function name as array, and I've in the array list I've given some of the names. And in the if condition, I have given if the array list, the given array list dot include, and I have one argument, right? So I have taken it like whatever the input we are giving here, so it will return to here, right? It will check. So if this condition is true, then the message should be like given name is present in the list, or else the message print like the name is not present in the list. And after ending the loop, I have returned that message. And in the
Which
next line,
returns true and which returns false?
sorry,
Oh, you're telling it returns false. Which one returns false?
if we have passed something else other than this, then the else condition will execute.
Why? Can you explain this? If array list dot includes there, na? That's
Oh, yeah,
one
yeah.
line. You can explain me again.
Yeah. So we have given the condition. We wanted to check if the given name is present in our array list or not. So
Okay.
we have given the array list name, array list dot includes. So we want to check if it's present in our list. And this P is like we have passed this argument here, right? So it will check if this given argument is there in our list or not.
Okay. Okay. Raghu, is it clear for you?
Yes, Anna.
Everyone. Okay.
Yeah.
Dot includes is a method which returns true or false based upon the presence or absence of a particular element in the given array.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So
We use same like contains key in Apex.
yes, same like contains. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So that's it. Okay, fine. Now I have asked someone else. Yeah, Raghunandan, back to you. Share your screen. Then stop sharing your screen. Yeah, Raghu, share your screen. Now back to the class. So we are having Raghu's screen here. He has written three functions. Okay, three functions. Where in the function one, okay, function one is printing something and is calling function 2. Function 2 is printing something and calling function 3. Then function 3 is calling nothing, is just printing and is calling function 1. Okay. Okay, is calling function 1 just outside the some outside the particular let's say all these functions. Now click on run.
It's not getting output.
It's not getting the output.
No.
Why? What error?
I think I should print in ID attribute. Is that correct? Document dot.
1 second. See,
Document dot get element.
why? Because This is a separate thing. Okay, this is a separate window kind of thing. You don't have a console.log here. No. If you want to if you want to have console.log also, you should not show here. Where you have to show? In the console. Where is the console? Go to
Inspect.
your inspect. So let's stop with this here. Okay, no. Let's stop this here. Now you have Visual Studio Code, right?
Yes or no?
Open that. Okay. Click on the file. Everyone watch it here. We are starting with the Visual Studio Code, but not Salesforce Visual Studio Code. I mean Salesforce and Visual Studio Code topics. We are starting with the just basic understanding of Visual Studio Code, which is the IDE where we start writing the code from today. Okay. Click on new window. Okay, for everyone, this is the mandatory steps. Open the Visual Studio Code, then go to the new window, then open a folder. Click on open a folder, open a folder. Then, no, go create in particular space, okay? Create in particular space. Come to the left, come down, to the left, come down. In the PC, click on the PC, no, click on the PC. You have only one, okay.
Yes. No.
Control Shift N.
Control Shift T.
Yeah, new folder. Name it as VS Code projects. You can name it any with any name. Just for my sake, I'm naming it VS Code projects. Try not to give spaces. F2, F2. Okay, function F2. Click on that and function F2. No. Raghu. Wait. See. Click on this. Click on that. Click on the VS Code.
Click on file.
Okay.
Function F2. Function F2. Function key and F2.
Okay.
Okay. You'll be getting option to rename it. No, you're not getting.
No.
Okay, open that. No problem. Open that. Double click on
Function
that.
key
Double click.
F2.
F2. It's okay. Leave it. Double click on that. Double click on that. Now create project. Again, Control Shift N. Then here, just name it as HTML JS classes. No spaces. No spaces. If there are spaces, then sometimes it creates a issue while copying the path. Okay. Click it somewhere else. Click here somewhere else. Now open that. Select that folder. Okay. Now I trust the authors. Click on this. I trust the authors. Now here. Okay. Wait. Yeah. New file. Now text file. Click on that text file. Okay. Then select. Okay. Control S. You'll be having an option now. Name this function. Okay. Name this as a. One second. Somewhere you have different. Click on the cancel. Click on this one also. This one also cancel. One second. Click on that.
Here.
Yeah. Click.
Yeah, now
Name. Name is HTM1. HTM1. HTM. Oh, sorry. HTM1. Oh, no. Wait. CL class 1. CLA SS class 1 dot HTML. Now click somewhere else. Yes. Now copy your code and paste it here from the W3 schools. Control S. Not getting saved. Make this window a little big. It's very small for everyone to see. Maximize this window. Yeah. Okay. Now, okay. Click on this run. Whether I think you don't have launches or I don't know, but just click on this one.
Go live. Here we
Yeah, you can go live. Just click on this first.
Okay.
For now. Okay. Go live. Click on this. Go live. Now open that one and inspect. Okay. Function 1 is called, function 2 is called, function 3 is called. Now I'll give you a small code snippet. Okay. Why we are discussing, I'll let you know. Okay. This is a code. Just a minute. This concept already, just we are seeing it here now. Okay. And not in Apex, we are seeing here like wait time of a particular function. Okay. Go to the Zoom chat. I have pasted one small code snippet. Paste it there. Copy that one. Okay, copy it.
Yes, sir.
Put it in the 18th after 17th line. After 17th line. Uncomment the line. Uncomment it. No, wait. No, wait. Here from set timeout, click enter. Now again. Enter. Yeah. Again here also enter. Yeah. That's enough. Control S. Now here give instead of 5, 25. Instead of 5, keep it 25. Yeah. Now Control S. Okay, Control S. Then go to the console. Now reload this one. Did you save it there?
Yes, sir.
It won't reflect, I'm pretty sure. Let me check. You got it directly, no? Once. Go to your window. Control S. Click on your thing is already go the live now. Control Shift like 1 second. Go back. Go I don't have terminal. Click on the terminal here. Terminal. Top. New terminal. This debug console. Okay. Go to terminal. Go to terminal again. Node -v. Node space -v. Node space -v. Node space -v. Node space -v. Oh, you have Node.js, then no problem. Okay. We'll come to that point again. This timer button. Okay. We need this console. So before that, is this clear for everyone how to write the same program in the Visual Studio Code and execute?
Yeah,
Is
no.
it clear till here? Because we're going to next step. That's why. Okay, we are going to separate now. HTML and JavaScript will be separated. Okay. So is this clear till now? Till now?
Yes, and it's clear.
Now create a JavaScript. Okay, create a JavaScript now here. Click on new file again. I'll tell you the name. 1 second. Just write script.js. Script.js. Okay. Script.js. Now go to your HTML. Okay. Copy this complete script from 12th line. Okay. From 12th line to 27th line. No, 12th, not 11th. 12th to 27th line. You copy. I mean, you have to cut it. 12th to 29th. What happened? Yeah. Cut it. Cut and paste it in the JavaScript. JS. Okay. Now go to your console. I mean, so not console. This class 1 HTML file. Okay. Write attribute src equal to. Write an attribute in the script. Raghu, where you will write attributes for a given element?
In HTML.
My HTML for a given element, where will be the attributes? No. You
Here,
are writing in the
demo. In demo.
Listen.
Acha. To call it in a JavaScript, right?
No, listen to my question. This is a script element.
Okay.
You started writing attribute in the 14th line.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
No, if we write an JavaScript in a script.
No. I'm leave about script and everything. I told attribute. Where does the attribute should be placed for
In
a given
HTML.
element? In HTML only. In a element, where does the attribute should be placed? Bhargav?
In ID tag name.
No. My question is, you are writing in the 14th line. I asked you for the script element, I want the attribute src. So Raghunandan started writing in the 14th line. Is that correct? In the 14th line? If not, in which line you should write?
In 13th line.
Yes. In 13th line, Bhargav. Sorry. in the opening tag itself. This is a script element, Raghu. In the opening tag itself,
Okay.
so I mentioned attribute. The terminology you have to understand very clearly before start writing something. Okay. SRC equal to, this is a source attribute. Okay, which will point to the script.js. So script, right? Script.js. Okay. Okay, clear? Save it.
Yeah, I saved.
Now, just save it. Okay. Now again execute this one. Close this one. Go to that one and close. Yeah. Close this one. Close this one. Now execute. It should execute now. Anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now inspect. So you got it here. Okay. So if we separate JavaScript and HTML also, it's working fine. Same like what? LWC only na? LWC works on this concept only na? HTML will be separate, JavaScript will be separate, CSS will be separate. So this is that same approach we implemented here in the Visual Studio Code. Instead of Lighting Studio, we are using Visual Studio Code. But still we are not reached LWC. We are in the normal basic HTML and JavaScript only. Now go back. Okay. Go to the script. No, this one script. Now this is a single JavaScript now. This single JavaScript. Now I want to run this JavaScript. Only one JavaScript program I want to run. I don't have my website ready where I can see the code. So what I can do? I have another way here in the Visual Studio Code for only JavaScript programs to test it. Here
Terminal.
in the terminal, node, okay, node space, okay, node space script.js, the name of the file, JavaScript file. Okay, just enter. What happened now?
Yeah, it's showing output.
It's showing output, but where it is showing now?
In terminal.
In terminal. But actually, where it should show?
In web page.
In web page. Is this clear for everyone?
Yeah.
Yandana? Varshit?
Yes.
So we can execute, we can see it very easily, very clearly. That's why this Visual Studio, like IDE tools are very important while developing any project, because we can see the output very quickly here. Now, this is one point. How to use Visual Studio Code and separate HTML and JavaScript and see the output in the tool itself, not going to any website, web page, browser, anywhere. This is one point. Now, here another point you observe here, Jitendra and Bargo, this like in terms of JavaScript also, sorry, in terms of Apex also, you have seen if a method is called, until that method finishes, do this method executes another method or another program? No, na? No, it waits, na? It waits for this another function to complete its logic. Then it comes to this point and starts, okay, and starts like executing this this function and another instructions only when the function which it called is returned. Yes or no? Varshit, you remember this thing, right? In the Apex also, we used to call a function. Okay, we used to call a function. Okay, there are suppose two functions. If a function is called, okay, from function one, this is function 2, this is function 3. Okay. Once function 2 is called, until this function completes the logic it is we have written in this, it won't go here back to F1. This is the nature of the functions in any of the programming language. Okay, in any of the programming language, this is the nature of the functions. But in JavaScript, this is reverse. Okay, in JavaScript, this is reverse. Let me show you how. Let me show you how. Okay. Raghu, in the third line, after third line, call function 3 as well. Function 3 as well. Yeah. In the 12th line, don't call function 3. This is very important. This is very important topic we are going to discuss today. The asynchronous nature or the synchronous nature of any programming language will be discussed in this way only. Okay. We have a function. Okay. We have a function F1. Okay. That F1 function is having in one line. Okay. In one line, that F1 function is calling F2. Okay. Is calling F2. Then after that, it is calling F3. After that, it is calling F3. Now, until and unless this F1 finishes, okay, and returns to the, sorry, F2 finishes and returns to the F1, we should not go for F3 na? In Apex or in any of the program language, whether it's a C language, C++, Java, this is the nature, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh? But let's see the nature of the JavaScript. Now clear the console here, Raghu, CLS. CLS, type CLS here, down. Click here and CLS. Is it functioning? Enter, CLS, enter. Okay. Now node space the JavaScript file name. Give it. Okay. Don't hit enter. So according to this like what we know that nature, we have to get function 1 first. It should print. Function 2 it should print. Then in this there is a timer. Okay. In the timer, what is there? What is the printing? Time is up. Okay. It should wait. This is part of this function now. This is part of this sixth line. I mean this F2 now. So in the F2 only I have to print console.log time is up. Then it should return to function 1. Then it will print the function 3 is called. Yes or no? Function 1, function 2, time is up, function 3. In this way only it should print now. Jitendra, Bhargav.
Yeah.
This is the nature, right? So it should print how? Function 1 is called, function 2 is called, time is up, which is a part of function 2. Then it will go to the function 3, because in the function 1 we are calling function 3 also after completion of function 2. But let's see, it prints something different now. Now enter. What happened here? Function 1 is called, function 2 is called, function 3 is also called.
Yeah.
Timeout is also one function here. Yes or no? Ninth one, timeout is also one function. Okay. Until and unless that function is done, this thing, the timer is running, we should not. We should
25 seconds.
Yeah, we have given 25 seconds. So till the 25 seconds, function 2 should not die, na?
Yes, sir.
It should not do anything. It should stay. Okay, it should stay there. But JavaScript, what it will do, na? If something is happening, okay, if something is happening little delay, na, it will throw it somewhere else and come back to its original place and start running the other things. Whenever that delaying process is completed, na, it will execute whatever it is written in the delaying process. Okay. Did you understand the nature of the JavaScript? In other programs, now this is not the case. What we used to do now, if we write this program, same program in Apex, now it will print function 1 is called, function 2 is called, then it waits 25 seconds, then after 25 seconds, then it will print time is up, then it will go to the function 3, because in the fourth line we are calling function, then function 3 is called. So it waits 25 seconds to print time is up, then it will go for the function 3 is called. This is the nature of Apex or any of the programming language. But when it comes to the JavaScript now, JavaScript is a client-side programming language. It's a browser programming language, we say. Why it became this famous? Because of this nature. It's very speed, because any process, anything that is getting delayed in this language, it is thrown somewhere else. Okay, in the processor there will be multiple cores, quad core, I core, I mean core 5, core 6, core 7. You are seeing now in the Intel. So there will be multiple processes running. So it will throw this function there as a separate thread, and it will start running the original code again, original program. Anything that is delaying the execution of a program, it will be thrown somewhere else. Okay, this is okay. This is okay because we need this for to speed up the functionality, speed up the user experience, speed up the things that will be shown to the user. But what if, okay, what if there is one important function, F2 is an important function, which goes to the database and fetches the records. Okay, fetches the records from the database. Suppose there are students. I'm a principal. I'm a management. I want to see the students. Okay, details. Now I have to go to the database. Okay, imagine. Okay, everyone, imagine. Same this F1, F2, F3 only. Okay, this F1 is the program, starting program. F2 is the database program. Means in the F2, what I have written? What I have written? I have written a logic to go to the database and get the records. Are you getting my point?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Huh? So, so to go to the database and get the records, it takes minimum 30 seconds, let's say 30 seconds. Then in F3, what I have written is, congratulations, these are the existing 50 records I am printing. 50 or something. These are the records. So before showing the records, if I show to the management, congratulations, this is the existing records, will it make a sense?
No.
I have to wait 30 seconds load time for sure, because without the original data, if I say congratulations or something else, that doesn't make a sense. Okay, means I should have a way to make the function, make the program to wait for something. Getting my point? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
Huh? Chandana, are you getting my point?
Yes,
Do you
yes.
want me to repeat?
No, it's fine.
So I want a particular function to wait to run, okay, to wait to run or to wait for the instructions written in that to be completed. Or suppose I am calling from F1, I am calling F2. I should tell F1, wait for the F2 to complete before you calling or doing something else which I have written. Like for example, in the fourth line, I called F3 before waiting for the F1. So I should have a wait, because I don't know. In the database, if there is a data, then it returns the data of 30 students. Particular students after 30 seconds. If there is no data, it throws the error. So I should have a way to handle the error, handle the success. And also I should have a way to control the execution, wait time. Wait I have to control this asynchronous things. Okay, asynchronous in the sense they don't have any sync between these three things. Whatever is going to happen, let it happen. If it is not happening, throw it somewhere. This is asynchronous nature. This is not synchronous nature. Now I will have a way to control. That is controlled with the help of three important concepts. This is the most important concept of JavaScript. Any interview you go, whatever we studied till yesterday, those are just the basics. Now from today, advanced concepts of JavaScript will be started, which are also important for you as a only JavaScript developer, React developer, or any full stack developer, or our LWC development. Okay, because in the LWC also we have database. If I have all the functions, normal functions, who will wait for the database to respond? I should have async and await, na? So that's why I need to know the nature of these functions and how to control this nature. That's why we will learn these three important concepts. One is callback functions. First, the concept starts from callback functions. We say callback functions. Then, before this, there are something called as arrow functions. Arrow functions, then callback functions or callback methods or callback methodology. Then we have promises. Okay, we have promises. What we have? Promises. In the promises, we have resolve or reject. Okay, these two things we have. Then finally, which is a existing, recent, and a fully existing standard. I mean the latest standards, which is called as async and await. Async and await. We have to know these all things. Okay, we have to know this arrow function. We have to start with arrow function. This is a way of writing a functions, callback functions. So this is also way of writing a function inside a function and how to wait for this to complete. Then promise is resolve and reject. Resolve and reject we have. Then we have async await. Okay. Today, what we understood, we understood that there is a problem in the JavaScript. This is useful. This is useful. This is not a problem. This is the nature of the JavaScript because it wants everything to be completed as soon as possible. But sometimes I need a waiting. So I need a control on this function's execution. That's why we are learning these other concepts. Is this clear? Problem should be clear first before understanding the solution of new concept.
Yeah, no, clear. No.
Yes, sir. Clear.
One second. Okay. Now save it. Okay. Let me send you something else. Just a minute. I'll send you one blog. I want you to open that blog. I have shared in our WhatsApp. Raghu, just open. Okay, wait one second. Open that one. Open. Raghu, I think I can't hear you people. Can anyone hear Raghu?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first one which we discussed till now. The sum, which we discussed till now. Okay. A basic function, function with multiple parameters, function with no parameters, function with a return type. Okay. Function that logs something, console.log. This is something which we have discussed till now. Then next, go to the next one. Okay. This is very important one, which we say as a function expression. Okay. Function expression. Now, one second. What is the thing you notice here in this? Just make it little big. Okay. Come down. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. In the example one, what do you notice? This is also a function only.
Yes, Anna, we are adding name function here, and we are calling.
First think about the first step, declaration. The function you write now, the first step function, add, function method one, something you'll be writing, right? So here, what is the name given to this function?
Great.
How do you know that?
Yeah, here
Name should be generally name should be like this, na? Function, okay, function, add, then we write like this, na? This is the way of writing now.
Yeah, this is also another way of writing, like
Yes,
constant.
this is also another way of writing. So everyone, the name is not here in the left side. Okay, the name for the function name is on the so not on the right side, but on the left side. Like what? Like this is very simple. Const. So now let's say let. You remember let na? Let a equals to 5. Okay. What is that? What is the meaning of that? Let a equals to 5. You are assigning the value 5 to a. Or a function let fruits equals to some array. That means you are assigning the array to this name. Similarly, if you write function, one second. Don't worry about this one. This name is a parameter. This is not the name of the function. This is the parameter that is being passed to the function. Okay. So don't confuse in that way. So function, if I write like this, just function and I write the function. I don't give any name of this function, any identifier to that function. So where is the function name now? Here. Great. Means I can write this way also. This is also one way of writing a function. This way we call it as a function expressions. Okay. Function expressions. Okay. Clear?
Yes, Anna.
Now, function expression with a return type. Okay, function expression with a return statement. So here also we have return statement. Okay. Just normal return type only now. This is normal return type. Function expression with a default value. This default value is something. Okay, default value is a small topic. See, what is that? I'll tell you. Okay, what is that? I'll tell you. Suppose I'm calling this function greet with name. Okay, greet with name alias is nothing but name of the name of the like name parameter is alias. Yes or no? This one. Now, if I don't pass an argument while calling this function, then what should be the parameter value? Then it will be the default value. Are you getting the point here?
Like if we won't pass parameter like name equal to guest, it will print
just default. Guest. Default value. It will print guest. Hi guest. Hello guest. It will print. It won't say hello undefined. Means I don't know the name. It won't say. We have given a default name guest. See, suppose I write here admin. Okay. If I don't pass any name here, any name here, okay, I'm calling it here. Let's see, greet with name. So what it will take? It will take hello admin, because that is the default. if no one gives you the argument, then no one calls with the argument, then take your parameter as a default value, whatever I have written here. Okay,
Okay.
just come down. Functions with more parameter. This is very simple one. Then expression that checks. Okay, this is also a very easy one. No. Wait. 1 second, wait. Now just go through this. I'll give you 2 minutes. Go through these function expressions. If you feel anything, let me know. Okay, let me know.
Here without using function keyword, we have used arrow function.
Yes.
By using arrow function, we called.
Okay. Is this
Yes,
clear?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
For everyone, I want everyone to understand each and every example given in this. Okay. Because questions will come. Even in the text, there will be a text. I think 2 days back only you have written text, na?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But this week also we'll be having a test, okay? Because functions is most important topic. We'll take a test on this Sunday.
That means it indicates as arrow function.
Yes.
Equal to and greater than symbol.
Yeah.
No, don't go with the arrow function. Who told you to go to arrow function? No, go up. Raghu, go up. I didn't explain arrow function. I explained only this one, expressions, function expression. Okay? Go up. Still go up.
This one.
Yeah, this one I want you to understand, everyone. You should be able to write it, okay? Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to the arrow functions. Okay. So Arrow functions, on the other hand, if you see here, instead of writing just the basic thing, instead of writing function keyword, okay, instead of writing function keyword, we say arrow. Okay, are you getting the point here? What are arrow functions? Just the single line functions we say. Mostly they will be single line functions. Okay, mostly they will be single line function. Okay. Now, okay, now let's go little up. Let's go little up. Arrow functions provide a context free to write function. These are especially useful in callbacks. I'll talk about callbacks. Okay, we'll be talking about callbacks and higher order functions. Arrow functions do not have their own this context. We'll talk about this one. Okay, this because arrow function itself a small thing, So this is little different from the main function. Okay, so leave about this line. Okay, leave about this one, but try to understand the way of writing the way of writing basic arrow function with one parameter. Just it has one parameter, it will print it. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, more examples you see. Okay, you can write like this as well. You can write, suppose there is this one here, you can write like this and write multiple lines also, no problem. Okay, but in the starting there will be arrow. Okay, okay, come down, don't go for the example 5, just go till the example 4. Okay, so what this means, arrow function with a single expression, arrow function with explicit implicit return. So these are nothing but like what this will do, it will take a number and it will multiply that number. That is the meaning. I can write number into also, but it is because why we do like this now. If I write like this cube of 3, then what happens? It will calculate the cube. See, it is functioning as a function, as a methods, okay, as a function, but it is written as a normal expression. Cube equals to 5, like that. Cube equals to some num into 3, like that it has been written. Okay, num into 3. But here it is being called as a function. Why? Because computer knows, okay, they use this one. Okay, meaning of this line computer will take in this form: function cube parameter name. Okay, parameter name, then in this return name into 3. This is what it understands. In this single line, the computer will treat as this one. Are you getting the point here? The nature of the arrow function, it's the most easiest way of writing the function. Okay, no one knows that you are writing a function because this is like a ES6 standard, the latest standard of the JavaScript. Okay, ECMAScript 6 standard. It is the easiest way of writing a function. When it is used, how it is used, from in next classes, that is only we are going to discuss. So don't worry about that one. Is this clear till now? Arrow functions,
Yes, sir.
be clear. Okay, clear? Huh?
Yeah.
Any doubts for anyone? Chandana? Confusion? Huh?
No, it's clear.
Akhil, are you following?
Yes, sir.
So clear now?
Yes, clear.
practice these three. If you want like practice more on this, try search for Google these three things. Normal functions you understood very well. Function expressions and arrow function. What is the difference between these two? You understand. Then we'll talk about these anonymous functions and go for the callbacks. Okay, which is the most important topic. And the question is for sure if you are writing the JavaScript 1 exam. Okay. Okay. We'll wind up the class here. We'll meet in tomorrow's class.
Now, can you
Oh.
for 10 minutes?
Yeah. Okay. We'll connect in another class. Okay. I will end this. Okay.
Okay.